ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, first of all, if you refer to our analysis, when the price was within this move, we were looking for the buy with the breakout of this trend line. We had a few opportunity, and when the price was within this, we mentioned the price can drop before continuation, and this is what we get: the price drop and then reverse. And then we mentioned with the breakout of this top, the level, the next level 1693, this is where we're looking for. And when the price reaches that level, we need to know whether we are going to get a correction or reversal. As we can see, the price tag and start to correct. This is where we should look for the second buy, because we mentioned if there is a continuation from here, because we have been looking for this flat, if there is a continuation with the breakout of the top and the level 1693, any correction from there we can look for buy. That's why we mentioned we need to watch out this. And the second after the breakout of this top was 1802, and as we can see, the price broke the top. But now the question whether we should look for a reversal or continuation. Okay, first of all, we start with daily chart. Okay, as we can see, the daily chart, we get this move, and now once this whether there is a continuation to break the top. And if we move to forward chart, based on forward chart, again we have been looking for this with the consideration if this is the start of the up move. But beside that, we just keep mentioning may this one can tend to be a correction for one more drop. Okay, now the thing is how we can trade here. And if we move to 1 hour chart, first of all, based on 1 hour chart, whoever have a trade from here or this correction, no, at least they should book the profit. And based on indicators, MACD doesn't show us any divergence if we refer. But the only thing is, if we refer to another one, we put these three in relative to each other, we see we have a divergence, and especially in these two. Okay, but we cannot rely on that because any of them give us a different information. The only thing is, anyone is in the trade, at least move their stop loss to book profit if they cannot take out the trade. And now, if we want to look for the next trade, we have to wait from here to get the correction. And from now, any small correction flag, we can look for buy, but we consider as a short term. And if there is any sharp move with the flag, we should know that maybe the price can drop and break this low, which is 1632. Okay, that's when we see that move. If traders they want to look for sell, they can. But if we see this kind of the move, anyone in the buy, I think it's better to watch the trade, at least take out the trade. Because if the price drop, then from there we can look for another buy. But right now we don't have any trade set up. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade setup, I will share. Thanks.